Hold on, the lighting is giving me mixed vibes. Oh, it's the, let me put these on. Why am I holding my drink? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something really different. I usually don't do hair videos, but today I'm going to be trying the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask on my skin and on my hair. I've tried this on my skin before and it was okay. I think it didn't really work because I used a metal bowl, and y'all pressed me in the comments on my transformation video when I used a metal bowl to mix it. It apparently took away like the effects of the mask. I didn't know that. I didn't even know I read that part. Like, I was completely unaware that I did that. But today I'm going to be using a non-metal bowl. I'll make sure of that. But I also have this apple cider vinegar to use with it because it's better than water. If this is your first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe if you want to. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Follow my social medias. It will be linked in the description box down below. And let's just get right into the video. I have a glass bowl and a little spoon, a comb, and a spray bottle. So let me just tell you like what the mask is supposed to do for your hair before we get started. So basically it like detoxes your hair, so it strips all the product you have in your hair, so it's like kind of like a fresh start. And I just took out my box braid, so I thought this was perfect because it will kind of like restart the process of... Did I just accidentally go like that? Okay, I'm sorry for that. But it will restart the process of your hair and like kind of like give it a fresh start. So right now I'm gonna mix it together. Okay, so I just mixed the mixture together as you just saw, and now I'm going to put it in my hair. Okay, so I think I'm done with putting the mask in my hair, but now I'm gonna put it on my face, and then we're gonna wait like 20 minutes before we take it off. Okay, my hands feel literally gross, but...
So you want crab?
Yes.
Okay, now or later?
Later. Okay. Anyways, my hands feel gross, but I just finished putting on the mask on my face. I'm gonna wait 15 to 20 minutes, probably 20 minutes, because I know I'm gonna forget. Then I'll come back and we'll wash it off in the bathroom together.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road. Hey, sunny day. Hey.
Okay, I am back from the shower. I kind of dried off my hair a little bit with a towel, but it feels really soft. Like, it feels really soft and like refreshed almost. Like, it feels like there's no product in my hair right now. I really like this mask. I totally recommend it. I'm not gonna add it to like my routine, but I'm definitely gonna try it when I take out my box braids or when I like need like a detox. So this is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Follow my social medias. It will be linked in the description box down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.